Hello, today I'm going to show you how to replace the front light of your Opel Tigra twin top or Vauxhall. Open the car hood and, for example, we will change the light at the left side. First step, remove the cover on top of your lamp socket body. Then, as you can see, there is a power plug, and this plug we have to extract. So, easy going, only grab it and then pull it out. Good job. Now there is a clamp. As you can see, push the clamp a little bit, unlock it, and then you are able to remove the bulb. There it is, the bulb, H7 socket. Good job. Let's install a new one. Have a look on the upper side. There is a little hill on top of the socket, so you have to place it back in position, then lock the clamp again by pushing it down and then lock it. Easy going. Good job. Last but not least, you have to plug in the plug again, the energy device. So last step of this is reassemble the cover. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.